Hi everybody, this video I will show you how to write a website address on the transcription. Let's start. So I put three address like www.com, amazon.com, www.com, facebook.com / my page. Let's do it. If speaker say www.com, amazon.com, we should be type www dot amazon again dot.com. So we never use any symbol, so dot should be dot, com should be com. Then you put all of mark, then put the English tag, and www should be upper letter, upper class letter, should be initial because this is a short from www.com. So like this we have to type the any website. If speaker say the facebook.com my page, I copy this one, I paste, and www should be upper letter, dot should be dot, this dot should be dot, this slash should be slash, my page. All should be English tag, and www should be initial. So remember, this space slash maybe some name, some company name, some profile name. If say somebody name, it should be name because this is one of the address. That's why it should be, must be in English. Hope you understand how to write the website address. I'm going to show you some work. If I found somebody already do the transcription by using the website, let's find it. So in this time we cannot find, we need to time, so I don't want to the tutorial is long, so make sure you have to type the website as I showing you. Hope you understand how to write a website address. If you not found a www.com, if say amazon.com, you put, remove this all everything, just put amazon.com like this. If say www.com, then you have to put www initial, then dot space, and www should be initial. Hope you understand how to write a website address. Thanks for watching the video.